What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Rey Mysterio mask. Booyaka! First, we're gonna print out the patterns. The link to the patterns will be in the description below. Then we're gonna cut out the patterns. After we're done cutting, we should have something like this. Now we can trace the pattern onto 4mm EVA foam with a pencil or pen. After you're done tracing, make sure to flip the pattern and trace the other half. Carefully cut out the foam pattern with a box cutter or scissors. I'm using an Xacto knife to cut the smaller parts of the foam. Next, we're going to cut out part of the pattern to mark where our following foam parts will go. I'm going to use the same process for the smaller parts. Now I'm going to trace the other patterns onto 2mm EVA foam. After I traced all of the parts, I'm going to use an Xacto knife to cut them all out. I'm going to carefully heat up the foam with a heat gun for about a couple seconds and use a round shape item to give it that dome formation. To glue the foam parts, I'm going to use adhesive contact cement, use respiratory mask or near ventilation. Or as an alternative, you can use hot glue. I'm going to use a piece of foam to help spread the glue thin onto the foam. About 1 or 2 coats will do the trick. I'm going to let it dry after 1 or 2 minutes and then slowly combine the foam parts. We're going to apply the same process on these parts too. After everything is well put together, I'm going to do a quick fit test to make sure everything looks good and fits me well. To glue the 2mm foam parts, I will use super glue. I will also use the 2mm foam parts to trace where I need to glue the parts. Once the parts are traced, we'll know exactly where to add super glue. For this part, I will add super glue on the indicated line so we can add the falcons on the main base. After that, we can add some super glue to whatever is left and add it to the main base. We will apply the same technique on the other side of the mask. To prime the mask for paint, I'm going to use Plasti dip spray paint. Used in outdoors with a respiratory mask or for indoors, I recommend Modge podge to prime. If you use Plasti dip, I recommend 2 coats for best results. After mask is primed, you can pretty much use any acrylic paint of your choice. I'm going to add some glitter to my mask by brushing Modge Podge glue and sprinkle the glitter. To seal it up, I'm going to use Krylon acrylic sealer. For the head strap, you can use elastic straps, or in my case, I'm going to use heavy duty Velcro. When I add the Velcro, I'll also add some super glue to reinforce it. For the back of the heavy duty Velcro, I'm adding vinyl to give it a nice look. And here are the results of the finished masks. I hope this tutorial helps out to make your own custom Rey Mysterio mask. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks.